What is up, everybody? It's your boy Jake, aka Korean Jew Trading, and in this video we're going to be talking about this little gem called FARMERDOGE, also known as CROP. That's the ticker. As always, if you enjoy my content, if you enjoy my videos, you know I don't do these too often. Let me get some likes, smash up the likes, make sure to subscribe. If I get enough interaction, who knows, maybe I'll start doing more videos. But before we go further, this is not financial advice, and yeah, let's get into it. Talking about FARMERDOGE. Okay, so FARMERDOGE. Why is KJ talking about a meme coin called FARMERDOGE? Well, the reason that I am is because, frankly, this has such massive potential that I would be doing you a disservice by not talking about it. And you know, I think we're in a climate within crypto where, you know, Shiba Inu is going to billions of dollars. Meme coins are pumping very hard. Bitcoin dominance is still kind of bearish. Meanwhile, Bitcoin's making new all-time highs. So many of these alt plays are contingent upon Bitcoin dominance remaining bearish. If you don't know how to find that, you would go to your trading view and go to BTC.D. That's the symbol for that, and basically what that represents is what percentage of the market is covered under Bitcoin's market cap. And as long as alts are showing strength against Bitcoin, you have the potential for crazy alt runs. And in my opinion, I think we saw the large caps perform well. So stuff like Luna, Sol, AVAX is doing its thing right now. These are all doing their thing. Now you're going to start to see the lower caps perform. And that typically signals the end of the cycle or towards the end of it. But I feel like this is a great time to be loading up on these because the percentage of gains that you can get are just astronomical. And I think FARMERDOGE actually has the potential to be one of the top performing coins out of all of crypto in the upcoming 3 months. And here's why. FARMERDOGE, also known as CROP, that's the ticker, is the world's first multi-currency reflection token. So what this means is for every time somebody buys or sells, there's a percentage taken out as kind of like a tax that is distributed in a way. And this, I think one of the first of these was Safe Moon, but there's a lot of meme coins that have this functionality where, you know, you have to pay like an extra 10% or something to purchase it, and then that extra percent is distributed amongst the people that are holding. So it kind of incentivizes people to hold the coin long term. But the difference is this is a multi-currency reflection token. So what FARMERDOGE actually does is they farm other cryptocurrencies, okay? So let's explain what that looks like. FARMERDOGE is the world's first multi-currency reflection token. This allows us to farm any cryptocurrency on the Binance Smart Chain. Buy and hold FARMERDOGE and let the team's crypto analysts build your portfolio with both top 200 currencies and newly launched moonshots. So this is the key, okay? Now, for some people that are new to crypto or DeFi that they haven't experienced decentralized finance, they hear farming, they're thinking of, you know, something different. What they're doing, this is not like anything really super sophisticated, but the way the smart contract works is they take the reflection tax and they buy the coin that they're farming. So if we look at FARMERDOGE on PooCoin, this is what I use to check my Binance Smart Chain coins. FARMERDOGE now farming TCG coin 2.0. Okay, so last week they were farming a coin called FEG, and the week before they were farming Cardano, and they'll switch this on a weekly basis. But basically, their definition of farming is the reflection rewards are purchasing whatever coin that is, which is TCG, and then they're distributing it to the crop holders. Whoever is holding FARMERDOGE gets distributed. So you get these coins hitting your wallet, you know, all day. And, you know, from somebody that's holding crop right now, I'm seeing a significant amount of coins hitting my wallet. And what I'm doing is, I like to call it the full Ponzi, is I sell whatever coin they give me, I sell it, and I put it into more crop. Because I think this is going to continue to go. But the actual part that people don't understand that's going to make this so huge is, let's look at the coin that they're farming, right? TCG coin, okay? It's TCG2. I'm going to look at this chart. Now, they started farming this last week, like around here. And basically what happens is this is giving buy pressure to this coin. So as you're getting the coins, the coin that you're farming is also going up. And this is a larger market cap. So this one is 67 million. But what they say on their website and what the team has said is you're building your portfolio with both top 200 cryptocurrencies and newly launched moonshots. So if this farms something that's newer, that's a lower cap, it's basically giving built-in buy pressure to that project. So imagine if you're farming something that's got a $5 million market cap and all of a sudden you turn Farmer Doge onto it. Guess what? That's going to help it be a moonshot. So let's say, you got $1,000 in rewards in a week. I mean, I got $3,000 worth of TCG over the weekend. Like, it's not like small money, depending on how big. The more crop you own, the more position, the more tokens you get. But if they start farming smaller stuff, like you get $1,000 in that, and then the coin does 100x, all of a sudden, just from your crop rewards, you made sick money. So I think like people are underestimating how powerful this can be, especially in a full-blown alt season. But like Binance Smart Chain, if you're not on there, like you really need to be. I'm not the guy that's like going to sit here and I'm not Ivan on tech, okay? If you follow me, you understand. I'll go where the money is. That's what I care about. And I would much rather buy a meme coin that goes up 100x than buy something that's a good project that's going to go up very, very slowly. I mean, obviously, I want to invest in good projects, but at the same time, I'm looking at this ecosystem and the demographic of who's playing on this chain, and they are apes. They're just aping everything. So you have way more potential to hit home runs over on Binance Smart Chain. I'm not saying you need to put your whole portfolio in there, but like, let's say if you were a new guy and you only had like $1,000, I wouldn't tell you to go to Coinbase. I tell you, get your ass over to BSC, because that's where you can make life-changing money super quickly. So that being said, like, people don't understand what Farmer Doge is going to do, because what's going to happen is on a weekly basis, they're going to start running votes, like community votes, where people can vote for which coin they want Farmer Doge to farm. And imagine you're an up and coming meme coin or small project. Like, you would want to galvanize your entire community to smash that vote, because if Farmer Doge starts farming you, your price is going up and you're going to get exposure. Everybody that's in crop is going to know about your coin. So I mean, a separate conversation would be to kind of potentially front run or kind of, follow whatever coin Farmer Doge is farming at said time. So like, there's a lot of different things that can go on, but I would imagine once they start doing those community votes, like, everybody on BSC that's in this meme coin kind of atmosphere is going to know what this is, and they're going to know what it does, and that's going to bring a tremendous amount of exposure. They haven't really done much marketing. You don't see the TikTokers talking about it yet, but I mean, frankly, this has the potential to go to like multiple billion-dollar market caps. Yeah, I said it. I know it sounds crazy. Well, to some people, it doesn't sound crazy because they've watched stuff like Shiba and Flocky and Saitama. All of these are hitting multi-billion-dollar market caps. So for something that's basically like a DeFi for the BSC community, not DeFi, YFI, it's like, it's the perfect storm, really. And if BTC dominance continues to drop and you get that alt season, this is going to do sick numbers. Not to mention like the amount of coins that you'll farm. Let's say you're just holding the coins and just every week you're just adding to your portfolio. All you have to do is hold on to Farmer Doge. And if you're holding Farmer Doge, you're going to get all these different coins into your wallet. So in my opinion, I think that this is something that's going to take off on TikTok and within that community. You don't see influencers talking about it. We'll look at the chart in a bit, but it has been pumping. Like, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. It's been going up, but it was extremely undervalued. So that's the only, you're going to be like, damn, KJ's talking about this. Why didn't you tell me about this earlier? Well, first off, I did tweet about it, over a week ago, almost 2 weeks ago. So, but I felt like I wanted to be the first person to really talk about this on YouTube, because I think months from now or in a month or in the upcoming weeks, you're going to see a lot of people talking about this one. So, just for little extra points for myself, I wanted to be on point and first. But let's look. The other thing that's important that you need to know and I'm not certain everyone will talk about this, is the tokenomics. So there was a pre-sale, private sale, 62%. Okay, so 62% of the tokens are locked until February 20th. Okay, so that plus 5% dev wallet, you got 67% of the supply is not in circulation. So let's look over at what the market cap is at, right? So let's look at old crop. 28 million market cap, but 67% are not in circulation. Okay. Circulating market supply is 9 million, 9.1 million. It's nothing. It's nothing. When I say it's nothing, like for what this does, it's absolutely nothing. Let's look at the chart. Okay, this is just pumping. It's just going up because nobody wants to sell this yet, and it's super scarce. Like, people are scared to buy something that's going straight up, but the reality is, like, stuff like this, you have to look at it as a market cap. Like, I will continue to buy this every dip. Like, pretty much, I will just buy the dips. And when you're playing meme coins, these can dip hard. They could dip 30% in like a couple hours. So you don't want to buy the rips, you buy the dips. And like from right here, so 24 to 12. So 50% retrace right there. If you bought this, hey, you made another high. From here, 29 to 22. That's not exactly 50%, but this one, 400 to 224, so it's like 40%. Like, you get these dips right here, 950 to 430, that's like 55%, right? So if you look, you're constantly getting these 50% retraces. If you want to get in, you just wait until you get a dip and then you buy it. And you know, with the reflection, you have to use like 10 to 15% slippage. So, you know, this is not something that I'm like really trading actively. I feel like this is going to go to a way higher market cap in the hundreds of millions to billions. And at each level, I'll start to like take profit incrementally. The last part about their tokenomics is there is like a whale blocker kind of thing built into their smart chain where the most you can have is 100 million tokens. Obviously, if you wanted more, you would just have to use multiple wallets. But yeah, it kind of discourages people from accumulating too much. So really, like, that's pretty much it. I don't know what else to say besides, if you have the vision and can understand the potential for something like this, then it's something you should definitely consider. Not financial advice, but yeah, I've been holding this whole time for the past couple of weeks. I have no intention of selling anytime soon. It showed a lot of Bitcoin actually pulled back, alts pulled back in the last 24 hours, and this thing just held very, very strong. So there seems to be a lot of buy pressure. And yeah, I know they just they're redoing their website, how to buy. You just find a YouTube video on how to do smart chain. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Farmer Doge crop. If you're not in it, definitely keep it on your radar. I think this has like incredibly massive potential. Nobody is talking about it. The thing is only up, and its use case is undeniable. Like, literally, they are going to be the most popular thing on BSC, in my opinion, because for the simple fact that anybody that has a meme coin on BSC is going to know about this because of its ability to create buy pressure to projects that just send them to the moon. And, you know, it's very appealing to newer traders and newer cryptocurrency investors to be like, oh, I can just buy this coin that only goes up, and also I get all these other coins every week. I get a new coin just hitting my wallet for holding on to this. That marketability is like incredibly powerful, and it's something that hasn't really been utilized in that ecosystem. So you have to understand who you're dealing with. On Binance Smart Chain, these are a lot of newer people, and there are some people that are OGs on there. I don't want to generalize, but in my opinion, that crowd is not as sophisticated as the people that went through DeFi 2019, and they may not really know that things like this exist. So once they start to hear that, and you start to see TikTokers talking about it, like, this legit can go to the whole meme is, what if my coin hits $1? Well, there's 10 billion circulating supply. So for this to hit $1, it would have to go to $10 billion market cap. And while we see other coins doing it, I don't see why this one can't. Like, that's my moonshot target, would be $1, but I think this can definitely hit like at least 10 cents. and right now it's trading at 0.0027 cents. So even if you get in now, that's a serious win for you. So trade responsibly, obviously risk manage, but yeah, I think this is just getting started. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed doing it. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and yeah, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe if you like it. Take care, guys, and good luck.